So we're at the beautiful day at the beach, and the cloud is so very cloudious.
Very cloudy.
There is Kino right there, Joshua, but we can't hardly see them because the cloud is so cloudious. And there is Candy right there taking a picture. Candy, show them the picture. Woo, she taking a picture. Candy, really? And that's Simone over there, so. And Simone ready for go to the restaurant. She don't want to stay here, so. And we're just taking a panoramic view of the panorama. It's a very panoramic Pandora panoramic.
So, my cousin them laugh.
Eh?
After your video, your new word, permanent.
Perpetuate. A perpetuate. Wait, Joshua, come out of the video now. Yes, so this is what we do in the Florida Straits. The sky is very, very nice right now. It's overcast and it looks like it's gonna rain at any minute. But we are still here permitating in the beach with all these nice people. And see the coconut tree right over there. And it's just very coconutish. And Skinner, show them the cloud. You're the weatherman.
So, as you can see, it's very dark back there. I'm not sure what it is, but it's dark. It might rain. Wait. It's very windy. The wind is blowing so strong. As you can see the palm trees. Is blowing. Or you know.
The palm tree them now move.
Down there.
Oh, way down so. Sorry.
So you know.
News report just in that Hurricane Danny. What's her name?
Yeah.
I know Danny.
Yeah, Danny.
Yeah, come on.
Hold on. News alert. News alert, Candy. Get them. That's the anchor. We turn over to the anchor, Candy and Simone, in the anchoration chair.
Anchor what?
Anchoration. Yardie belly in a foreigners, you know. And Saturday, we're there at the beach. We're there where? We're there at the beach. Because we forgot beach on Saturday daytime, see? Hollywood Beach. And little pitney just throw sand in my face. I'm there at beach. See, this is what happened when they're at the beach. I shoot a live video and the little pitney threw sand in my face. Could have blind me. Wow. And she did with laughing. Let me show you. See her there? Let me show you. See little pitney there? That little white pitney there. Me can't believe and then ladies and gentlemen, look up me cute. Watch it. Me in a USA Marina. And my chest all feel nice and decent. Me I try to make no water not touch me. And the little girl duck me with the sand. But the Lord shall add iniquity to our iniquity. Lightning a flash?
Yeah.
It's a far, it's a flash, man.
Lightning is flashing.
It's far, it's flashing. It's not flashing right here so. It's not flashing right here so.
I just see lightning right a while ago.
If the lightning was flashing right here so, then we could have worried. But the lightning is flashing over there so.
The lightning just flashed a while ago, like flash. Like
where it go? Where lightning go?
Flash.
Lightning go what? Flash.
Yeah.
Flash. Watch it. Look how my son up. Watch it. It hurt me. Ladies and gentlemen, it hurt me. It hurt me. I feel it to my bone. It look a girl. Duck me with sand. And no parents in sight to say apologize or me can sue them for my shirt. One pair. Nobody inside.
A video?
Eh?
I don't get to be.
See the little boy, yeah? The little boy there. Him in that video. And all in there do I talk about my Michael Phelps. Michael Phillips. And him now gone no further than right there, sir.
No.
But the Lord.
Watch it. Lightning again.
My youth, how lightning go? Flish. The lightning say flish. The lightning I go flish over there.
I see you as my. I see a lightning over 3 times. I see now. 3 times. It goes so. Flish.
Little flish. Watch it. I stand up. I feel it. But that is how it go. Beach. I feel so. Beach with it, and it's now, the time is now evening time. Work is over now, it's evening time. So when we go up on the beach in the evening, we enjoy ourselves and we have fun. It is called Fun in the
Fun
Beach.
in the sun.
Fun in the beach.
Fun in the sun.
No sun not shine. Fun in the beach.
Oh, sorry.
Fun at the beach.
Fun in the beach.
Joshua, come
Fun
in.
in the beach. Hey, sun in the beach. Fun in the beach.
You see, I'll be an idiot me hang around with though.
Squaw!
Hey, Yardie belly.